I did that. I just hit it full speed, 4-wheel drive. Just wow, it came right on through. Didn't it, Daddy?
Yeah.
You can't back it out?
No. Hey, Pa, put it in reverse.
That ain't gonna help.
He's freewheeling.
Yeah, hang on. Hey, Pa. Alright. Lean all your weight this way, and I'm gonna push you that way. With it in reverse.
His phone.
Hey, Pa, not put your feet on the back.